Hi, welcome to the Phrase Strings demo session. My name is Vitomir, I'm product manager at Phrase, and today I will be talking about the new feature called Enhanced Global Search and show you how it helps you to quickly find translations across whole phrase strings. So why we have built Enhanced Global Search at all? So far, Global Search was rather basic, enabling you to search for keys per language with no further filtering and sorting capabilities. That was it. Now, with Enhanced Global Search, you can actually search for keys, but also for jobs and projects. You can also filter per project and language and sort out the results to drill down and pinpoint what you're actually looking for. So, how it looks in practice, let me show you. So, the first difference you're going to notice is that now search opens it up in a modal instead of a dropdown. And now we can search for keys. You can also see jobs and projects. And on top of the languages, which we added actually the search field, we also added filtering capabilities per project with the search field. Now, if I search for a test keyword, let me explain you the search results. So with the keys, now we display the status of the key, so you understand where it is. We also highlight the search term in the search results so you can easily understand where the term applies. And if you click anywhere on the field, it will open up an editor with this key loaded in. And if you select English language, it will load in the key with the predefined language pair. Clicking on the project name will actually open up a project overview. And if there is a branch at the project, it will open up a project overview with the branch pre-selected. For the jobs, it's similar. We display the jobs which has this keyword in their title. We display some further stats information, and we also display the status, if it is completed, in draft, or in progress. For the projects, besides the match inside the project name, we also display the project stats so you can understand the stats right from the search result. We also introduced keyboard navigation controls so that you can work with search, and you can also, apart from these 10 results that we loaded in, you can also open up all results on a dedicated search page. Now, the difference between this and modal is that you can also dig into the further results on different pages. And we kept all the capabilities so you can still toggle between keys, jobs, and projects. And you can filter by projects and languages. And one additional thing, you can also sort out the results. By default, it's best match, but you can sort out by ascending, descending, last updated, and last added. And this is all for now. Hope you're going to enjoy it as much as we did building it. And yeah, keep on phrasing.